Ready to ditch those boring, default map markers and create eye-catching property displays just like Trulia. First, set up your HTML file with the div element where your map will live. This is the foundation for your visual masterpiece. Next, craft some CSS magic to style your custom marker. Use properties like width, height, background color, and border radius to achieve your desired shape and look. Get creative. Now, dive into JavaScript to initialize your map using a library like Leaflet or Google Maps. Remember to include your API key if needed, and focus on setting the initial map view, zoom level, and linking your HTML element. It is time to define your custom marker icon. Use the library's functions to create a new icon object, referencing your CSS class and optionally adding properties like icon size and anchor point for precise positioning. Finally, populate your map by looping through your property data and adding markers for each listing. Pass the latitude, longitude, and your custom icon to create unique, visually appealing points on your map, enhancing user engagement and making your real estate website stand out.